Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Honda Monkey with ABS brakes. This minimoto just arrived with only 29 miles on the odometer. Fuel injected, runs like a top, brand new condition with this really cool red and white paint scheme. It's got the cross hatches on the seat. And I like those semi-knobbies. 4-speed transmission. Oh, this is a 5-speed. 5-speed transmission, fuel injected, only $41.99. Save hundreds off the price of new. This one's still under factory warranty till the end of the year. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. With any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.